Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning software development lifecycle, and in today's class we will learn about maintenance phase. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related coding practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. Once software passes all the quality checks, which also means all the bugs or defects identified by the quality engineers are addressed or fixed by software developers and retested, software is ready to be released. What it means is it is ready to be used by the end user. In this case, when I talk about code mode, the software is ready to be used by students like you or teachers like me or some other teachers. Some people also refer this as a production phase. The website or the application software is made available and is continuously monitored, especially in the beginning when a software is released. And it is monitored to make sure that all the functionality or the features are working as expected. Consider this phase as a move-in when it comes to, with respect to the example, I was giving you about the house construction. The house is handed over to you. You as an owner, you move in, you start living in the home. You may find some issues here and there, which you may call the contractor and tell him or her to fix it. That is what we refer as support phase or warranty phase, right? So usually you have a certain period in which anything that goes wrong in the software, anything that was not caught during your testing phase may still be fixed in this phase. All the documentation, the software, all the resources like laptops and everything are handed back to the owner. A small team may still be available to fix any high priority defects that were identified by the end user, and those issues would be resolved and released on top of the main software. So if this is the main software, let's say this is the main software, it is possible that you release a set of like 5 bugs that you addressed as part of what we call this as a patch, and you release the patch. That means you apply this patch on the main software and change the code. This patch, when we use the word patch, it means some part of this software, some code of the software, some screens of the software were changed and replaced, and the new version is available for users to use, and those code changes will typically address the issues identified, those 5 issues. Now, people who monitor, maintain and support the software after it is in the production are in the support role. It is a sort of a dedicated role where a small team is responsible for making sure that end users are getting what they expected to get. All the documents, the source code, everything is handed over, and this is the time when it helps support team also, all the documents that the development team, the business analyst, everybody who created prior to this phase, those documents become very helpful for the support folks, because they were not the one who built the software. They are the one who is going to maintain this software. That's all in today's class. If you have any question, feel free to post it in the community on my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.